Today we're looking at a pickleball set sent to me by VINSGUIR. They sent this to me. It's a whole kit, so let's do an unboxing for you. I'm just going to show you how it comes. It comes in this nice kit, just like you see here. It's nice zip-ring side case. It does have a little mesh bottom here, and also a strap to carry for you, like a backpack strap, and also a handle. So let's take a look inside and see what we have inside the case. So we have two different colors of balls. We have two orange and two of the yellow. So it comes with the balls in the kit, which is really nice, starting out from the gate. That way you don't have to go and buy balls. And here is the actual pickleball paddle itself. Regulation size, it is USA Pickleball approved. So basically it means the Association of Pickleball has approved this type of paddle. You can see here, the handle feels really good. I like the way that feels in my hand. It looks really good. The grip feels really good on it. Nice grip on it, and I love the way it looks. All right, guys, let's get to the court, the pickleball court. Okay, guys, I'm on the court, and just the way they feel really good in the hand, like I told you before. It's an example. I'm on the pickleball court. I'm just gonna hit a few of these and just see how they feel. Let's just see how it goes. Oh, that feels really good. Okay, so I'm on the court here. I'm just whacking it around, and it really feels really good. I love these pickleball paddles. Definitely highly recommend these. They just really feel smooth, no vibration at all. They fit on the hand really well, and really played a great game against myself. It was an awesome experience, and I definitely highly recommend these. These paddles are really good, as you can see here. And again, good grip, great feel. It comes in a little bag, and highly recommend them.